With Alfa Connect, you're always in touch with your world. Connect your iPhone to Alfa Connect via Bluetooth. Access the Bluetooth settings menu and select your phone from the discovered device list. Then, access your iPhone settings and enable Bluetooth SMS and notifications sharing. Turn Bluetooth off in your iPhone settings, then turn it on again for changes to become effective. Now you can interact with your iPhone's SMS messages directly from your car's display. Would you rather read or listen to incoming messages? Use the rotary pad to select the SMS notification mode and read the message. You can also reply with suggested predefined answers. Communication is even better with Alfa Connect. Have a great trip!